Hello everyone, this is Christine with cricketscreativecorner.com, and I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to do what we call a belly band. And I'm going to show you what we're going to be using. It's the Lemon Lime Twist ink pad, Berry Burst, and Flirty Flamingo is what we're going to use. And then I have my block. It's the C block. I have the 2-inch punch, mini glue dots, and then our stamp set we're using is Happy Birthday Gorgeous. And let me go ahead and get started with the cutting of the paper. So we've got our silver glimmer paper, and here is my Stampin' Up trimmer. And I'm going to cut this at about 2 inches. I'll go over it a couple of times because it's just a little bit thicker. And I have to go over it again on the other end because it's off, it's not level, so I have to keep cutting it down here. Let me get it cut real good here. There we go, because I don't have it on a level surface is the only reason. Okay, so we have the glimmer paper, silver glimmer paper cut at 2 inches. And I'm going to use the stamp set we're using as an example. So what you're going to do, for instance, if you have a stamp set that we're wanting to give away, like I did yesterday. I had a giveaway on my Facebook page, and you're just going to fold it around just like that on your item that you're going to give away or display or give it away as a present. So, alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and take my stamps. Actually, I'm going to do this first. I'm going to cut the circle out real quick. And I'm using, this is actually a shimmer paper, shimmery white paper. So we're going to use the shimmer side. And then I'm going to get my stamps out. So I'm going to use this little rose, this little flower, and that one. And then also the little leaf is what I'm going to use right now. Okay, so let me get my block. And we're going to take the flat, solid, more solid stamp. And I'm going to use the Flirty Flamingo. Alright, go ahead and get it inked up. And I'm just going to stamp it pretty much just anywhere on here. Just give it a little sporadic type of look to it. And then do one over here, kind of off the edge. Maybe a little bit right there. Okay, alright. Done with Flirty Flamingo. And then I'm going to come back with our Berry Burst. And I'm going to take this one off my stamp pad block. Put this one down. Go ahead and ink up my stamp. And I'm going to try that. There is a way that they line this up. There's like a little arrow. I just don't really pay attention to it much because I forget about it. So I'm just going to do the best I can to get these even. There we go. A couple of more. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to put this Berry Burst away, and we're going to get our Lemon Lime Twist and put this away. Let me clean that off for a second. Get our little leaf stamp. Ink that up. This is Lemon Lime Twist. I'm just going to kind of put it kind of wherever. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Just kind of make it look like it's coming off the roses is what I think. Just like that. Maybe one more right here. Okay, that looks good. Put that away. Alrighty, so we got that done. Let me put my ink stamps over here. Alright, so now we're going to take, let's see, let me find it, my Memento ink pad, and I'm going to use, I'm going to have to clean these later. Let's see, what color, let's see what stamp set. I don't know, let's see, I will do It's Your Day. Let's see if that'll fit in there first. Let's see, It's Your Day, will it fit? Yeah, just barely. So we're going to take this off. It's Your Day. I'm going to put it on my stamp block. Okay, ink it up. And sometimes I check to make sure it inks properly before I go. Make sure it has all the ink on it that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to stamp it right here in the middle, just like that. Ta-da! It's your day. Go ahead and cover that up. Put this away. All right, so now I'm going to take my, put that aside. I'm going to take my belly band. We're going to use our mini glue dots. And I'm going to put some glue dots right here on the end, quite a few, because with it being glimmer paper, it's a little harder for it to stick to the glimmer paper. So we're just going to put several little rows right here on the edge because it just does fit around that stamp set. Okay, so we got this. So let me find my stamp set. This is just for an example, show you what you could do with it. So you're going to just wrap it around and make sure it's even and straight. And you're going to pull it tight and push down to get those glue dots stuck to that glimmer paper really, really well. All right, and make it really simple. You just take this and put it right on top, or let's see if I could find something else to kind of accent it with. What we could do is take another shimmery circle punch, and I'm going to cut this in half. Just kind of see what we can come up with really quick on the go here. So I'm going to take some glue dots and put it on this side. Oops, wrong side. Yeah, no, it's not. It's on the glittery side, just a couple. All right, just to kind of let this show a little bit better. Let me get it right there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure it's on the shimmery side. Here we go. Put one there and one right here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just, you know, gives it a little accent piece in the back. Just like that. Okay, and now we're going to take some more glue dots, put it on the back of this. Right, like that. Maybe one more or two. Let's do one more. Okay. Oop, that didn't even stick. I'll put it right there. All right. So we're going to put it right on the top, and it's pretty even, and we're just going to stick it down there. And there is your cute little belly band. And so whenever they get this in the mail, they just slide it off just like this. And then they could open their stamp set. Ta-da! And you could just put it right back on there if you like. Just like this, and there you go. Isn't that so cute? I just want to share that with you real quick because I made one the other day, and I haven't ever showed you how to make a belly band. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.